Welcome back to another video. This is Useless Builds, and I just got the package for the Porsche. This is going to be my intake manifold, so let's open her up. So, it took a while for it to come in. It was coming from England, so I had to go through customs, and it got stuck in customs for like almost a week. But not really sure the best plan of attack here. It's kind of just like taped up like crazy. DanST Engineering. Shout out to DanST Engineering. I'm not sponsored or anything. I paid full price for this. This is not some kind of sponsor. I bought this off their web store on eBay. On the intake. Oh yeah. Look at that. It's even got my name on it. That's pretty nice. Sweet. So it's got the recessed holes in it, already milled out for the bolts. It's also got a vacuum port so that I can hook vacuum up to all the carburetors and have it idle decently. I am a little concerned about the gap in the middle here. It's a little bit bigger than the rest, but I think the ITBs are also like that. I think it's where the throttle cable sits in the middle. So let me grab the ITBs real quick. Alright, so this was the backup set of carbs I have. These ones are a dual like carb setup, so they actually have like a throttle, like a butterfly, like a normal throttle body does. So you can see. So they have that, and then they have, I haven't done enough research on these. I think it's supposed to be the fuel wreath on the front, and these ones are off of Suzuki. So we're gonna probably be running these. I like they're a little more compact and they fit a whole lot better on the intake. And I'll show you real quick. So they line up pretty good. I've already got all my couplers and everything. Those are all sitting right over here. So we got couplers. I got all my couplers already. And then I've already got all my my filters as well. Right here. These all just pop right on there like that. Independent filters on each throttle body or carburetor, I guess you would say. But so the weird thing about this one is a door style versus the butterfly. The door opens up on these. See how it opens up like a door? Now I don't know if that's going to be good or bad. I haven't done a whole lot of research on carbureting a Porsche, to be honest. I'm just kind of, you know, throwing myself out there and just doing it. So here we are with another one. This is the 924. And we're going to start pulling the parts off of it. So here's all the CIS stuff. We're going to pull all the manifold off and all this stuff off. We're going to pull a whole bunch of stuff. Dang it, I left my mat outside again. Oh, there we go. I got it all fixed up now. Look at that. Oh yeah, that's going to be fun. Well, if you made it this far in the video, I just want to thank you for being here. Go ahead and hit that like button. Hit the subscribe button if you want to see more of this build. It's pretty much going to be it for the video. I'm just kidding. I'm going to show you the carbs on there. And there it is. So obviously they're not bolted up yet, but that's what they're going to look like. And you know, it looks even lower than the factory intake, so I'm pretty happy with this. This is going to look pretty good. I got to do a little more research, and I got to buy a few more parts. I need probably some better silicone hoses for the bottom, because I just don't like the way they're like kind of, the middle ones look really good, but the outside ones, they're kind of cockeyed. So I'm going to order some more parts for this. Make sure to subscribe and follow the build. I got a playlist on my channel if you want to watch all the stuff on this entire 924. It's been a fun little project. You know, we're converting it straight from CIS to bike carbs. It should be fun. We've already tested it. We know it runs. I got to put the transmission back in it, which is right there. This is all the CIS stuff. That's going to be the bike carbs. I'm going to end the video right here. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and stay tuned for the next one.